Hey, I'm making this because I've made a video in the past about a Minecraft OpenGL hook which got a decent amount of attention. A lot of people came to me using my alternate Discord account and asked me questions about it. A lot of people asked about how they can use it without crashing the game, which, fair enough, I fixed the code every time someone did that, and otherwise other people just came and asked me about how they could make a Minecraft cheat. So this video is just to clarify what this Minecraft hook is actually all about and explain to you how you could make a Minecraft cheat. Alright, so first thing first, I'll get out of the way the main subject half of the pasters are here for, which is how to make a Minecraft cheat. Well, let me start with the obvious answer: just make a client. The clients are really easy to make. There's already a shitload of documentation, sorry for my swear, but it's true. There's a lot of videos online about it. It's easy. Minecraft is almost open sourced, if it isn't actually. Now, the less obvious answer that a lot of people seem to go for is use the JNI. The JNI, or Java Native Interface, as the name implies, is used to communicate from native languages such as C++ or Rust to the Java Virtual Machine. The JNI can be used to access classes and values from Java programs. Now, if you're going down that road, you're either well experienced or you're just pasting code from years ago for an older version of Minecraft. In my humble opinion, I think if you're pasting, you should just go for the Minecraft client, because the community already documented everything and there is a lot of open source code from Minecraft. I mean, the game, I don't even know why it's obfuscated by itself. The code is already all open source by the community, de-obfuscated and reverse engineered, so why don't you just take what they made and make a Minecraft client? Because if you're going through the JNI, you have to go through extra steps by yourself. Okay, now what about my hook itself? Why is it for Minecraft and how does it work? Well, first thing first, it's not only for Minecraft, it's for literally any OpenGL game. I just chose Minecraft as my POC because Minecraft is more elite than making it on freaking asshole cube. Now all it does is use a library called minhook to create a trap hook to a function in OpenGL called the swap buffers. The DLL grabs the function from the exports using the winproc function from the Win API. The swap buffer function is called every frame to switch 2 frames from OpenGL, which I won't get too much into, but basically it's called every frame, and how we are able to draw an overlay over it is by creating a new context and switching between this new context and the old context of OpenGL. And by setting some settings, we're able to draw anything we want, like an IMGUI menu for example. Now, there's really nothing else to explain. If you'd like me to make a video about how to make a JNI hack on Minecraft, I could make one. It could be interesting for people who want to understand better how Java works in the inside. Otherwise, as I said, just make a Minecraft client. I mean, Java is really not that complicated. The jar files are just zip files, literally. So just go on and make a Minecraft client, otherwise I'll see you in the next video.